We will learn about education of Bangalore region. Education of Bangalore region. About Bangalore region or Bangalore division we are learning. We have to learn about education of Bangalore region or Bangalore division. Education. What is the meaning of this one? That we have to think. Education of Bangalore division or region. Education. That means as compared to other areas, Bangalore division or Bangalore area is highly developed in the case of learning or studies. This area is highly developed. As compared to other areas of Karnataka state, Bangalore area is highly developed in the case of learning or education. That is the reality of Bangalore area. This area is really or highly developed in the case of learning or education. Bangalore area is highly developed. Then Vishwesvaraya and CNR Rao are the two people who got Bharat from Bangalore division. Vishwesvaraya and CNR Rao. Once I had told you about Vishwesvaraya. Vishwesvaraya is considered as the first Kannadika who received Bharat. Vishwesvaraya is the first Kannadika who received Bharat from the land of Karnataka state. Vishwesvaraya. And Vishwesvaraya was an engineer too. He was an engineer also. So, Vishwesvaraya and CNR Rao are the two people who received Bharat from Bangalore division. Here, so many universities are also there. So many universities are also there in Bangalore area, Bangalore division. So many universities are also there in the Bangalore division. Some of them are public universities. Some of them are public universities and some others are private universities also. Some universities are public universities and some universities are private universities also. There are so many universities. Then science laboratories are there. Science laboratories are there in Bangalore division. So many science laboratories are there. some science laboratories are also there in the Bangalore division. Science laboratories are there. In Tumkur area, in Tumkur University is there, Bangalore University is there. In Tumkur, Bangalore, Shivamoga areas universities are there. In Tumkur, Shivamoga, Davangere universities are there. Tumkur, Bangalore, Shivamoga, Davangere areas universities are there in Bangalore division. That is one specialty. In Tumkur, Bangalore, Shivamoga, Davangere areas, universities are there. In these areas, universities are there. So in Bangalore division, what is there is a presence of so many universities. Then agricultural university also is there. Agriculture. One agricultural university is there in Bangalore division. There is another specialty. Agricultural university means to study about the agricultural field of Karnataka state, or to study about the agricultural field of Bangalore division. Agricultural university is there where in Bangalore division. There is another specialty. Agricultural university is there in Bangalore division. Tumkur, Bangalore, Shivamoga, Davangere areas. Agricultural universities are there. Universities are there. In Bangalore division, in Bangalore area only, in Bangalore area only, one agricultural university is there. So what is that? Once more I will tell you children, education field of Bangalore, the development of education that happened in the field of Bangalore division. What I should say, as compared to other areas of Karnataka state, in Bangalore division, the field of education is highly developed. As compared to other areas, in Bangalore division, what is that? Education is highly developed, or the field of learning, is highly developed. The field of learning is highly developed in the field of Bangalore division, or in Bangalore division, literacy level of the people are more in Bangalore division. Literacy level of the people are more in Bangalore division. There is one specialty. Vishweshwaraya and C.N.R. Rao received Bharat Ratna from Bangalore division only. And yesterday I had told you, Vishweshwaraya was the first Kannadiga to receive Bharat Ratna from Karnataka state. He was an engineer who Vishwesvaraya was an engineer. So, it was Vishwesvaraya who received Bharat Ratna for the first time from the land of Karnataka state. C.N.R. Rao, what is that? C.N.R. Rao was another person who received Bharat Ratna from Karnataka state. Both are from which place? Both are from Karnataka state, Bengaluru division. Then, so many universities are there in Bengaluru division. So many universities are there in Bengaluru division. Universities. So many are there. So many universities are there in Bengaluru division. Some universities are there in public field or in public sector. Some universities are under the control of government. Some universities are coming under the control of government. Some universities are private universities. Some are private universities. Science laboratories are there in Bengaluru division. Tumkur, Bangalore, Shivamogga, Davangere areas. We have universities. And one agricultural university is there in Bengaluru division only. One agricultural university is there in Bengaluru division only. Then what I told, once more I will tell you, the field of education that we are in. Education is highly developed in Bengaluru area. Education. Vishwesvaraya and C.N.R. Rao are two people who received Bharat Ratna from the land of Bengaluru division. Vishwesvaraya and C.N.R. Rao are two people who received Bharat Ratna from Bengaluru division. Then universities are there in Bengaluru area. Universities. What is that? So many universities are there in Bengaluru area. Some of the universities are there in public sector. Some universities, they are in public sector. Some universities are there in private sector also. Then science laboratories are there in Bengaluru division. So many science laboratories are there in Bengaluru division. Tumkur, Bangalore, Shivamogga, Davangere areas. We have universities. Tumkur, Bangalore, Shivamogga, Davangere areas. In Bengaluru division, we have universities. And Bangalore only, what is that? In Bangalore only, we have one agricultural university. Dear children, I think up to here you are able to follow. Then religious institutions. So many religious institutions are there in Karnataka state or Bengaluru area. Then what is the religious institutions? So many religious institutions are there in Karnataka state. or Bengaluru division. What is the meaning of religion? Mata. So many sannyasis are there in Karnataka state. Sannyas Swamijis. Those sannyasis or Swamijis are running so many schools and colleges. The Swamijis are running so many schools and colleges. They are also providing education to the people of Bengaluru division. One of the most important one is known as Siddhaganga Mutt. Siddhaganga Mutt is run by sannyasis only. Then Shivakumar Swami Swamiji is the head of this mutt, Siddhaganga Mutt. This mutt or sannyasa asrama is having so many schools and colleges of their own. They have so many schools and colleges of their own. Then, what is that? They are providing sometimes free education also. They are providing free education also to whom? They are providing free education to whom? They are providing free education to the poor people. And they are giving scholarship also. They are providing scholarship also to the children, those who are poor. Then what is that? Because Siddhaganga Mutt and other sannyasis are providing free education to the poor people. They have so many schools and colleges of their own. Then what is that? Once more I will tell you. Development of education in Karnataka, then we are studying. Development of education in the land of Karnataka. Education development in Karnataka. Some other than government institutions. I told you no. Other than government institutions. What is that? So many private institutions are there in Karnataka. Other than government institutions. Then, among the private institutions, what is that? Among the private institutions, some religious sections, some sannyasis are running schools and colleges of their own. Some sannyasis are running schools and colleges of their own. Some sannyasis. They are running schools and colleges of their own. That is the thing. Some sannyasis are having religious institutions of their own. Some sannyasis do have religious institution of their own. The best example is Siddhaganga Mutt. It is headed by Shivakumar Swamiji. Siddhaganga Mutt is providing, what they are doing? They are providing free education to the people, to the children. and they are providing scholarship also to the children. So what I told in Bengaluru division, what they are doing in Bengaluru division, some sannyasis are there in Bengaluru division. What they are doing in Bengaluru division, some sannyasis are there. They are having their own religious institutions. Sannyasis are having their own religious institutions. The best example is Siddhavinga Mutt, that is under Sivakumar Swamiji. This Siddhavinga Mutt is having so many schools and colleges of their own. They have so many schools and colleges of their own. They are providing education to lakhs and lakhs of people of Karnataka state. They are providing free education also to the children. They are giving or they are providing free education also to the children. Sometimes they are providing scholarship also to the children. Then we will learn about the field of health, development of health in Bengaluru area. Development of health in Bengaluru area, we have learned about how the health facilities began to develop in Bengaluru area health. In Bengaluru area, health facilities are highly developed. In Bengaluru area, health facilities are highly developed. What is that? As compared to other areas of Karnataka, in Bengaluru side, in Bengaluru area, people are getting a very good health treatment or health facility. People are highly healthy in Bengaluru division. In Bengaluru division, people are highly healthy or people are really healthy in Bengaluru division or in Bengaluru area. They are highly healthy. There is another speciality of Bengaluru division. Then, so many contagious diseases are there. What is the meaning of contagious diseases? Contagious diseases means those diseases which are spreading from one person to another person. Those diseases which are spreading from one person to another person is known as contagious disease. They are known as or they are known by the name contagious disease. During the olden time, during the olden time, so many contagious diseases were there in Karnataka state, especially in Bengaluru division. Now what is that? Now such contagious diseases are not there in Bengaluru division. In Bengaluru division, what is that? Contagious diseases are controlled by the government of Karnataka state. infant death. What is the meaning of infant? Small children. Small children are known by the name infant. Then what is that? During the olden days, death of during the olden days or during the olden time. What was that? During the olden time, death of small children was quite common. Death of small children was quite common during the olden days. Death of small children was quite common during the olden days. But nowadays, what is that? At present or nowadays, infant mortality rate, that is, death of small children are able to be controlled by the government. Government succeeded in controlling the death of small children. Then polio. Polio and smallpox during the olden days throughout India. What was it? During the olden days throughout India. What was it? Throughout India, polio and smallpox, they were serious diseases. There was no medicine for polio and smallpox. Now, in Bangalore division, we cannot see polio or smallpox patients. All are controlled by the Bangalore authorities or Karnataka government have controlled all these things. Then, monkey disease. Monkey disease. In some hilly areas of Bangalore division, especially in Shivamogga area, monkey disease was quite common. Monkey disease. But now monkey disease has been controlled by the government of Karnataka. Once more I will tell you. We are studying about development of health in Bangalore area. We are learning more. We are studying about development of health in Bangalore area. How the health began to develop in Bangalore area, that what we are studying. Development of health in Bangalore area, that we are studying or that we are learning. Development of health in Bangalore area. Health facilities are highly developed in Bangalore area. Some contagious diseases or some diseases which were spreading from one person to another person was there during the olden days. Now what is that? Now contagious diseases are really controlled by the government of Karnataka. Then infant mortality rate is there. Infant mortality means death of small children are known as infant mortality. Death of small children. During the olden days, death of small children was more in Bangalore division. Death of small children. Now, death of small children are controlled in Bangalore division. Death of small children. It is really clearly controlled in the Bangalore division. death of small children. Death of small children are really controlled in the Bengaluru division. Polio, smallpox, monkey disease. These diseases were there in Karnataka state. Now in Bengaluru division, these diseases are not there. Another thing is that see, so in the development of health facilities in Bengaluru division is more. There are so many hospitals in Bengaluru division. At the panchayat level, hospitals are there. Rural community centers are there. Rural community centers are there at the panchayat level. At the taluk level, what is that? At the taluk level, there are so many hospitals. At the district level, also there are so many hospitals. And medical colleges are also there. Medical colleges are also there in Bengaluru division. So, in Bengaluru division, health facilities are highly developed. What does it mean? In Bengaluru division, so many hospitals are there. So many well-known or so many well-developed hospitals are there in Bengaluru division. At the panchayat level, there are